Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is in true full screen, not borderless windowed. That difference matters. Once done, disable overlays like Discord, OBS, GeForce Experience. They often trigger taskbar focus. Now open Windows Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar. You're about to force the taskbar to auto-hide and reclaim exclusive full-screen focus. These first steps remove external focus steals and put Windows controls where you can change them immediately, so proceed without delay. Next, enable auto-hide for the taskbar so it won't appear over full-screen content. This gives the OS permission to slide it away. Then remove persistent UI elements, widgets, search boxes, live tiles, and toast notifications, because they can steal focus. Also set focus assist to alarms only or a strict priority list so notifications won't trigger the taskbar. Make these changes, then sign out or restart Explorer to apply them, and ensure the system grants exclusive full screen to the game or video. Finally, restart Windows Explorer in Task Manager to force the taskbar state to refresh. This often fixes lingering overlap immediately. Make sure the game's display mode is explicitly full screen in its video settings. Borderless looks full screen, but allows taskbar intrusion. If the problem continues, reboot the PC and perform a clean boot to identify background apps that steal focus. One troubleshooting tip: if Explorer Restart doesn't help, reboot and temporarily unplug extra monitors or overlays. That isolates multiple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.